Seventh graders, at this point we are done with our introduction paragraph, and we are going to get into our body paragraphs, paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. And the best way to start these body paragraphs is to make sure that we have a baby thesis for the beginning of each paragraph, and we need to make sure that our baby thesis order lines up with our roadmap, which is why it's called a roadmap. That roadmap shows us the direction of the paper and it keeps everything organized. So what do I mean by that? Well, first, when you start your body paragraph in using this essay builder with the DBQ online, you are going to simply look at your roadmap, which is right above here. This is, if we're looking at where I'm in, this is the introduction paragraph. So scrolling right down takes us into body paragraph number 1. All right. My baby thesis is reason number 1. Whatever DBQ you're doing, whatever your reason number 1 is, all right, is going to go right here. Now I'm cutting and pasting just to give you an example. You can type that in or word it however you want. But to start my paragraph, reason 1, all right, goes right here, and that's your opening sentence and tells us exactly what this paragraph is going to be about. All right, then we're going to take reason 2, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to put it right here in paragraph 2, paste it in. All right, you don't have to cut and paste if you don't want to. Again, these are just examples. Obviously, you're not going to be putting reason 1 and reason 2 and reason 3. You'll be putting your actual reasons based on which DBQ it is. All right, and that way you know for sure that your paragraphs are in the right order, same as your roadmap. And that is as simple as that. That's your baby thesis. These are now your 3 reasons that we're going to discuss, and that's how you get each of these paragraphs started properly using this essay builder.